In this video, we're going to show you how to switch from Claude Pro to API billing for more flexible and scalable usage. When using Claude through a Pro subscription, your access is typically limited by usage caps, message limits, or rate restrictions depending on system demand. This works well for general use, but it can become restrictive if you're doing heavy workflows like coding, automation, content generation, or long development sessions. In contrast, API billing is usage-based. Instead of fixed limits, you pay based on the amount of tokens you use. This can give you more flexibility and control, especially if your usage patterns vary or you need consistent high-volume access. However, it's important to understand that API billing isn't truly unlimited. It simply scales with usage, meaning you can use more as long as your account has available billing capacity. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to transition from Claude Pro to API-based access and what steps are required to set it up properly. So let's get started. The first method is to create or access your API-enabled account. Go to the official Claude or Anthropic developer platform and sign in with your account. Once inside, navigate to the API or billing section of your dashboard. Here, you will need to set up a billing method if you haven't done so already. This usually involves adding a payment method and enabling usage-based billing for API access. After your billing is active, you can generate an API key. This key is what allows external tools, applications, or your own scripts to access Claude through the API instead of the Pro interface. Next, you can start using the API in your preferred environment. This could be a development environment, automation tool, or custom application depending on your workflow. If you're switching from Pro to API for daily usage, it's important to understand how token usage works, since every request contributes to your billing. Monitoring usage through the dashboard helps you stay in control of your spending. In most situations, this setup process is all you need to move from Pro usage to API-based access. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, access the official Claude or Anthropic developer platform and enable API access. Second, set up billing and generate your API key. And third, use the API in your tools or applications while monitoring usage through your dashboard. Remember that API access provides more flexibility, but it also requires more responsibility in managing usage and costs. Unlike Pro plans with fixed limits, API usage scales based on how much you consume, so tracking your activity is important. For heavy workflows, API access can offer a more reliable and customizable experience compared to standard subscription plans. It's also a good option if you're integrating Claude into applications, automation systems, or development pipelines. And that's how to switch from Claude Pro to API billing for more flexible access. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.